Hello class 7, this is the third part of the chapter 9. We had completed up to the page number 39, the first paragraph, and we are going to, the second paragraph, up to second paragraph we have completed, and now we are going to start from the last paragraph. So before starting the class, I would like to give a very short recapitulation of the previous two videos. There we saw that Michael Henchard was talking to Mr. Farfrae in the street, and Elizabeth was noticing this, and Elizabeth's mother, Suzanne, informed Elizabeth to go and meet Michael Henchard. So Elizabeth went to Michael Henchard's place, and she saw that the place was very huge, and this place was also filled up by the granaries. Lots and lots of grains over there, and it was a very huge place. It was a beautiful place, and there surprisingly she noticed that Mr. Farfrae was present at the store of Michael Henchard, and Suzanne was being asked by Michael Henchard that what was the cause of her of her arrival. So Elizabeth told that she wanted to meet Michael Henchard only. So she was told that Michael Henchard would be late because he was having some works to do. So Elizabeth was over there. Now Elizabeth Jane did not know that the two men had walked on towards the Bristol Road, barely speaking. Elizabeth Jane did not know. That means two men means who were those? Two men means here Mr. Donald Farfrae and Michael Henchard. Both of them, they did not talk to, they barely spoke to together. That means they barely spoke. That means what can I say? They did not able to speak to each other. Okay. But after that, we are also seeing that Michael in Michael Henchard's place, that man, that means Donald Farfrae, was present. As Farfrae was about to take the footpath down the slope leading out of the town, Henchard held out his hand to wish him. So Farfrae was actually, what was happening when Donald Farfrae was leaving the place. It was saying that it is written, as Farfrae was about to take the footpath down the slope leading out of the town. So when Donald Farfrae was leaving the place, leaving the town, at that time Henchard held out his hand to wish him. At that time Michael Henchard was wishing him for the last time. He said he would remember the young man for helping him out of a sticky situation. So Michael Henchard was actually telling Donald Farfrae that always Michael Henchard remembered this man, because in a sticky situation, this man was helping Michael Henchard very much. As a final attempt, he asked Farfrae to work with him at any price he could think of. So at the last time, Michael Henchard gave last proposal to Donald Farfrae, and he told that whatever he wanted he would be given, only if he would work with Michael Henchard. While they discussed the generous terms of Farfrae's business, Henchard treated him to a generous breakfast. So when they were discussing about what to do and what not, at that time Michael Henchard took Farfrae to his house, and he was giving a sumptuous dinner. That means lavish dinner. Okay, a lavish breakfast. He made Farfrae ride to the post office in Bristol asking for his luggage. Since he had no home yet, Henchard decided Farfrae would stay with him till he found a house. So what happened? So at the last, it was seen that Donald Farfrae, he agreed to the proposal, and he agreed that he would be staying with Michael Henchard, as he did not have any place to stay in Castor Beach. So you know that Michael Henchard was very wealthy person, and he had lots of place to stay. So he told Donald Farfrae to stay to his house. Okay. He showed him around the granaries, and that is where Elizabeth Jane found Farfrae. So that means Michael Henchard took Donald Farfrae to his home, and there Michael Henchard was showing his everything. He's showing his granaries, he was showing his that means millets, he was showing his wheat and corn, everything. And at that time Elizabeth entered into Michael Henchard's place, and he showed him around the granaries, and that is where Elizabeth Jane found Farfrae when she was looking for Henchard. When Elizabeth Jane was looking for Henchard, and when we got to see that Elizabeth Jane was being answered by Donald Farfrae, at that time only Donald Farfrae came to Michael Henchard's place, and that time Elizabeth Jane also came to that means Michael Henchard's place. Okay.